Sylvia. Welcome to my kitchen creations. On today's episode, we're going to make strawberry tres leches cake. This is a Mexican pre-milk cake, guys. Normally they would make a vanilla cake from scratch, but on today's episode, I'm going to show you guys an easy way of making this recipe, and it is so delicious. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're going to start by greasing a 9 by 13 dish and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. After you're done with it, go ahead and set it aside. It's time to melt a stick of butter. So I'm just going to place that into my bowl and place it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Here's my melted butter. Now I'm going to pour it into my food processor. And if you don't have a food processor, go ahead and pour that butter into a bowl and use a hand mixture for this recipe. But I will be using my food processor. Feel free to use whatever you have. After adding in your butter, go in with your water. Add your eggs. Add your strawberry cake mix. After adding in all your ingredients, go ahead and give that a good mix. This is how my cake batter is looking, guys, so that looks good. So now, pour that into your dish. Go ahead and make sure that the cake batter is evenly spread. I'm going to stick this in the oven and bake for about 30 minutes or until my toothpick come out clean. After 30 minutes of baking, this is how my cake is looking. I like to go in with a toothpick and just stick it right in the center. After the toothpick has come out clean, I'm going to allow this to cool completely, so about 30 minutes. While we wait for our cake to cool down, we're going to mix all 3 of our milk. This is the evaporated milk, half and half. Last, this is our sweetened condensed milk. Go ahead and give that a good whisk and make sure that the milk are well combined. Now what we're going to do is poke some holes in our strawberry cake. I'm done poking holes in my cake. Now I'm going to pour in my milk. As you can see, my cake had absorbed all that milk, but it is still not ready to be cut into. So what I'm going to do is place my lid on top. I'm going to place this in the fridge overnight, but you can also place it in the fridge for 8 hours. That would work too. It's time to prepare our strawberries. I had already went and washed them and patted dry. So what I'm doing now is just cutting off the stem and slicing them. After slicing our strawberries, I like to go in with some white sugar. Give that a mix. And make sure that you are using an airtight container or a bowl, because we will be placing this in the fridge alongside with our cake. Okay, so now what we want to do is take our Cool Whip. You can also make your own Cool Whip from scratch if you'd like. Just some heavy whipping cream, some powdered sugar, some vanilla extract, and then just put that in a food processor or a KitchenAid and just whip that up and then just pour it over this. But since this is an easy recipe, I want to show you guys the alternative of what to use to make this delicious strawberry tres leches, okay? We're gonna take our Cool Whip and basically spread that on top. And when you're serving this cake, try to serve it, try to add the whipped cream on the day of serving. And this cake is good in the fridge up to 2 to 3 days. The way I like to serve my cake, I like to slice it first before adding on my strawberries. So I had already went and somewhat measured the cake before I cut into it. Now to add my strawberries on top, just like so. Now for the taste test, guys, as you can see, this looks so delicious, and here we go. That is very good. Guys, that is just so delicious. Go ahead and give it a try and come back and let me know how you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.